What if I told you one of the most reliable cars in America isn't a supercar, isn't expensive, and still sells millions every single year? This is the Toyota Corolla. And today on Torque Cars Lab, we're diving into why this simple sedan became a legend. Before we start, smash that like button, subscribe for more car content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. The Corolla isn't the fastest car. It isn't the loudest, and it definitely isn't the most exotic. But here's the crazy part. People trust this car so much, some Corollas have crossed 300,000 miles with almost no major problems. That's why families, students, Uber drivers, and daily commuters across the USA keep buying it over and over again. Modern Corollas look way more aggressive than older models. The sharp headlights, sporty grille, and clean body lines make it feel premium for a compact sedan. Especially the SE and XSE trims, they actually look sporty. And honestly, from some angles, it doesn't even feel like a budget car anymore. Toyota really upgraded the styling game here. Inside, the Corolla keeps things simple, but smart. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a clean touchscreen, digital gauges on higher trims, and surprisingly comfortable seats. Everything feels easy to use. No confusing buttons, no complicated menus. Just get in, start the engine, and drive. That simplicity is one reason Americans love this car. Now, the Corolla isn't built for racing. Most models come with a 2.0-liter engine, making around 169 horsepower. But what it does deliver is incredible fuel economy. Some versions can get over 40 mpg on highways. And the hybrid? That thing is basically a fuel-saving machine. Perfect for daily driving, long commutes, and rising gas prices in the USA. But this is where the Corolla becomes legendary. Toyota built this car with one mission: last forever. Oil changes, basic maintenance, and it just keeps going. That's why used Corollas sell so fast in America. People know they're dependable, and reliability matters more than speed for most drivers, because nobody wants expensive repairs every month. But wait, Toyota also made something insane. The GR Corolla. 300 horsepower, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, manual transmission. This thing completely changes the Corolla image. It's loud, fast, aggressive, and honestly, one of the coolest hot hatches on the market today. The Toyota Corolla may not be the flashiest car in the world, but there's a reason millions of people trust it every single day. Affordable, reliable, fuel efficient, easy to own. And sometimes, that's exactly what makes a car legendary. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, comment your favorite Corolla generation, and subscribe to Torque Cars Lab for more automotive content. See you in the next one.